This fight was gut-wrenching. But that's not all that happened for the day.
Oh, yep. If you're new to the channel, you would have seen lately that I do like a bit of snapper fishing. We're making our way out. We're going out to we're going out to Harry. So if this looks a little bit like a Peter Hurst video, I do apologise. Yeah, failing that, we're going to come back into some of the closer reefs. We're going to try for a few grassy sweetlip and see if we can make a day with it. So stick around, guys, and let's get into it. All right, sit over on the edge a little bit. All right, we're out at Harry, so we're going to cruise around. We're just going to try and look for some bait and some snapper on some of the structure. If we can't find anything, we're just going to cruise back in and hit a few places on the way back. But I'm hoping there's going to be a snapper or two about. I want a bigger snapper. All right, let's get into it too before I yeah, stop talking so much. There's a crazy amount of bait there. We have a lot of bait, so looks so good. There looks like some bigger fish on top of it. Oh, that was a good hit. Oh, I missed that. God damn. Well, that definitely had to have been a snapper. Because like it was literally on the drum and just tick. Proper little whack. We're sort of just sitting on top of a big bait school at the moment. We're sitting on top of a big bait school, so let's see how we go. Wind forecast might be like maybe a little bit off, maybe. Oh man, that bait looks so good. Oh, far out. Oh, there's a couple of like big arches underneath it all. Oh, yep. Oh, what is it? I don't think it's very big. I think it's like a grinner. It's not a grinner, it's a flatty. Oh, jeez. Not the intended target. Get out of here. Scuffage. Sweet. Slime. That's alright. I live with slime. Well, find the bait, find the fish, I guess. I come all the way out to like 22 meters of water just to catch a flat. It's pretty golden. We need a snapper. Well, that sucks a bit. Here comes the dolphins. Get out of it, fellas. Yes, hello. It's less than ideal. The trick is, don't catch one. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Yeah, I see ya. It's just gonna make it damn hard to catch a snapper. Alright, so I've changed the spot a little bit. I've repositioned slightly so that I'm sort of I'm to one side of the bait and I'm casting up front of the bait and letting my lure come back through all of that bait. If that makes sense. Did I say bait enough times? Oh, yep. Oh, a bit better. Got good head shakes. I'm gonna stand down deep. Man, is it fighting. Get out of it. No! Oh! No, 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 no. Oh.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless and
Oh, that is so disappointing. That was a good snapper, and I've gone and popped him on my loop knot. No, 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 no. Well, oh, it's just there's so many dolphins around. I'm worried. I don't know why I was worried. There's heaps of dolphins around. Dolphins aren't going to take a fish like that. They'd wait to throw it back, and there wouldn't have been any sharks. Oh, that would have been such a good snapper. Their head shakes were so good. Oh man, I'm like trembling. I'm trembling. I was like, yep, we're onto a good fish. We're getting it up. He pulled so hard. He would have been a stonker. Oh man, it's making me sick. It's making me sick thinking about it. Oh man. Oh no. Oh. It's alright. That's what happens. That's what happens when you go too hard on a fish. That's as simple as that. That's what happens. You go too hard, something's got to give. You know that old movie saying, something's got to give. Oh man, I'm shaking. That would have been such a good snapper. And that's just like I said. Like we changed direction a little bit, so we're on that other side of the bait school. We're gonna have to get back down there, and we knew that was probably going to be a possibility. I guess now's as good a time as any to mention the outfit as I fight back tears. Oh, them damn dolphins. Yes, hello. Now that was on 30-pound Black Magic leader, so I'm using 30 pound. That should be more than enough. And that was on the 5-inch fork flex. We've had to go down to the 4-inch because I haven't got any 5s left. So we're on the 4-inch. This is like a pink acid or whatever it is. Hirsty's favourite colour. I like the black orange metallic. I no longer have any black orange metallic. I mean, in case anyone doesn't know, if there's dolphins, generally there's no sharks because dolphins don't normally mix. That's just general rule of thumb. Don't take my word as gospel. Oi. It's another grinner. Oh no, it's not. It's another flat dog. We're out here catching flatties. Don't want a flatty. I want a snapper. I just want a snapper. Alright mate, you're getting on my nerves. I think he knows the dolphins are down there waiting for him.
After that, the tide slackened off, the bait moved, and so too did the snapper. So, we decided to head back in and go and target some sweetlip.
Oh, well, we've just come up shallow because we're going to try for some grassy sweetlip. We're just on the on a little bit of rocky bottom there. The shallow rocky bottom. See what happens, see what we can produce. Have we go anyway. Let's see which way we drift and go from there. Little RT shad, just in the perch colour. A little bit joggly and close, but that's alright. Wind kicking up. We'll give that a go first. That's on a 1/2 ounce jig head. It's a Daiwa bait junkie jig head. What happens? Oh, what have we got? Oh, flatty. Welcome aboard, mate. Oh, shoot. There we go. Maybe about 40. Maybe about 40, maybe 50. Not real big. Not the target species, anyway. There, mate. See if we can get something a bit bigger. And off target. Chance of another flathead as well. They always seem to be in the same sort of zone. Keep forgetting that camera lens. I hate it when there's stuff on the camera lens. For both me and for everyone else. Now we're casting in front of our drift, letting that line sink down until we feel the bottom. I'm using a 1/2 ounce lead so I can feel the bottom a little bit easier with all this wind and chop. And a fair bit of current, not a lot of current. The one thing in our favour is that the current and the wind are going in opposing directions. Slows the drift right down. A reasonable amount of fish life there. Oh, yep. Oh, super subtle take. Oh. Feels like a little grassy. Oh yeah. Grassy or a snapper? Oh no, snapper. Yeah, right. Well, I will take that. He's not a bad little squire at all. There we go. Not too bad on the RT shad. Nice little pan size. I won't keep this guy. I'd rather a feed of grassies or something like that. Maybe if I get a bigger one I might, but hopefully he makes up for that other one. Hey mate. Yeah, that was a bit subtle. What do we got? Oh, another squire. Oh, feel bad for this bloke. Sorry, mate. There we go. Just better ruin me plastic. See if we can get another fish out of it anyway. It's not too bad, couple of fish now. All right. Wind sorted. Drift back into everything. Because I'm pretty sure, like the current's coming out anyway, obviously, but we're coming up to our drift. So this makes it super easy for me to feel bottom. All right. Well, that'd have to be the biggest bartail flatty I've ever seen. They don't really get much bigger than that. Bartails, flag, tail, sand, flathead thing. I don't know. Definitely roast me in the comments if I've got that wrong. But I think with that, yeah. I think with that I might just go home. It's getting a little bit windy. Ah, all right, mate. See ya. Pew. I think I know when to call it quits. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support in the recent videos. And as always, fishing's 80% luck, 20% skill. I'll see you in the next one. Yuck. Got myself a bull chinian. Have a go at him. Tickle, 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 tickle.